We'll see if he ends up catching somebody. He's just sitting there. You know, as much as I hate it to see it, it's nature, and he has a right to eat. So if he gets one of the birds, he gets one of the birds. That is a sharp-shinned hawk that has landed on our fence. And all the squeaking that you're hearing are the quail that are stuck on the ground down low trying not to get eaten for dinner. This hawk only eats birds. And we had about 20 quail in the backyard when he flew in. 20 or 30 quail. And you could tell by the way they flew off that he's here. So we've named him Sammy, the sharp-shinned hawk.